When doing an oil change, you should never work alone. First, put the vehicle up on the lift. Now, remove the bolts and pins under the car to expose the oil drain plug and filter. Remember to keep the bolts and pins handy for later use. You should now see the oil filter and drain plug. After you move your oil pan underneath the motor, proceed to break the drain plug loose and let the oil drain out. Inspect the bolts to see if it's still fine. Once all the oil has drained out, proceed to put the bolt back in place. Starting with your hands, followed by the use of a ratchet. Next, move the oil drain pan underneath the filter, and then remove said filter. Check the spot where the filter was for the rubber gasket. If it's not there, then check the old filter. Now get the new filter and the oil that goes with it. Take some of the new oil and put it on the rubber gasket. Now tighten the new filter in place. Put the cover back in place and bring the car back off the lift. We can now start putting oil in the vehicle, after making sure you're using the right oil. As you pour in the oil, make sure it's not leaking anywhere. When you finish, remember to put the cap back on. Let the vehicle run for 10 seconds. Then turn the car off and check the oil dipstick. Make a note of when the next oil change should be. And with that, looks like you're done.